months ago, we came into shooting a movie, and I was having one of those days where things just weren't going my way. So I sat down and I wrote this song. This song is for every broken heart, for every lost dream, for every high, for every low. But tonight, Summerfest. Tonight, this song is for you. And here's what I want you to do. I want you to sing this out with me as loud as you can, with all your heart and with all of your soul.